Morning, y'all. So I am by myself and just decided to make a quick little video. I'm gonna pick up Uncle Chi-Chi and me and him are gonna ride the motorcycles, and we're gonna head up to Red River, New Mexico and just spend the day and then turn around and ride back for our big biker family party that we usually have. So come along and enjoy the scenery. All right, so this is my bike. It is a 2010 Harley Davidson Street Glide. So let's hit the road. All right, so we picked up Uncle Chi-Chi. Got his, here's an 05 Road King? 06 Road King. And we are in Clayton, New Mexico, fixing to head up to Springer, you said, and then to cut across.
Right here, we're going to cut across here to go to Springer.
Yep, so we're getting on the road, and now that we're getting out of flat Texas Panhandle,
Yep.
We're going to actually hopefully get to see some pretty scenery up here. I'm going to throw the 360 camera on the bike and hopefully get some good shots here in a little while. All right, so we are in Cimarron, New Mexico. Got the 360 camera mounted. Now let's go ride through the mountains. Morning. So our day here in Red River yesterday was a great day. We just kind of walked around, went to the RedRiver Brewery. So if you're ever in here in Red River, great place to eat. They've got lots of beers that are made in-house, a lot of different spirits, stuff like that. We also got to take a tour of the distillery, which was really nice. They showed us how everything worked. It's really interesting, really neat to get to see all of the stills and how everything worked. Super. We actually got the owner to give us the tour, which is awesome. Super nice guy, great guy. But they make lots of different spirits, vodkas, rums, whiskeys. Definitely, if you're a whiskey or spirit drinker, some vodka or whatever, definitely check them out. Overall, just a great company, great place to just sit and relax, because you can sit there on their patio. They'll make you a drink. Archie had a peach old fashioned. I had a Cuba Libre. Oh, and we stayed at the Riverside Lodge and Inn. Great little rooms. Here, I'll show you, take you on a quick tour of the room real quick with all of our stuff everywhere. As you come into the room here, you'll notice you've got a couple of rocking chairs out here that you can sit here and hang out. All the rooms are non-smoking. Got a nice couch, TV, little dining area, full kitchen, fridge and everything. We use the fridge. Coffee maker works really well. The bed's pretty comfortable. I enjoyed them. Didn't hear any complaints from Archie. Both rooms have their own air conditioners, so you can set your room whatever temperature you want. If you want it sub-zero, and of course, just a regular old bathroom with all of our towels everywhere, which we did pick up before we left. So we're going to get the bikes loaded up and head back to Texas. Have a little party this evening for all of our family and friends there in La Forest, Texas. If you ever want to know a good reason to come up to Red River, New Mexico, listen. It's quiet and peaceful. After we got all bundled up, time to go home, go through the little town of Eagle's Nest, New Mexico. Be sure to like and subscribe and give us a comment where we should possibly go ride next time. Everybody stay safe out there.